Yes, this is a story about Ayolas.com, smart services in the Philippines. Or maybe it's a story about any small and mid-sized company in the Philippines who is looking for a provider of bookkeeping, accountant or tax services. So let us take an example of Jose Torres. He has a car service station in the city of General Santos. And he's done this for 7 years. Now he has 10 people working for him. But this year they've had to do some changes since their accountant, he's retiring. So now he needs to find a new accountant. How does he go ahead about that? Well, Jose does like almost anyone would do. He goes online and search for an accountant in General Santos. And as you see here, he has various options of choosing where to find this accountant. This is jobs in the Philippines. It's not that relevant, but let us have a look. Well, here I see that I can find an administrative assistant. Jose doesn't need that. He needs an accountant. You find accounting officer, possibly. And here we can view the salary, but he doesn't want to hire. He wants a provider who does the work every quarter. Here's an electrician, here's a driver, and here. All right, so actually not that relevant. Back to Google again, see if we can find some other site. Well, let us jump into this site and see. We have some accountant, 2 years experience. Again, we're not looking for any staff, and especially not with this kind of title of the job description. Back again to Google. Maybe you can find something on the other side here. And well, I would say that they all look the same. You have more or less it's job posts, not really accountant services that I'm looking for my car service station. So what do we do instead? So what we suggest is that Jose Torres instead he goes to Ayolas.com smart services, where he can get he can fill in a form about his business. It's quick, it's secure, it's easy, it's free. So just posting this simple form and he would get back up to 5 quotes from accountant agencies or law firms. So instead of looking around, spending time and not being satisfied, he trusts that Ayolas.com will take care of this matching and provide him with up to 5 very good proposals of accountant services, where Jose Torres is absolutely free to choose which one of these providers he would like to go ahead with. So this is what he does. He chooses a first drop-down list here. This is the type of accounting that he would like to have help with. So either it's annual account, it's maybe an audit of company accounts, tax issues. Now in this case he's looking for someone who can manage the annual accounts. He fills in what kind of company he's running, and in this case, well, it's a limited company. He also picks the line of business, and as you are aware of, he's running an automobile service. He fills in roughly the range of revenue that he has, and then he also provides some insights to the accountant agencies or law firms that will look at this and reply with a proposal. Is this a one-time accountant assistant, or is this a possibility of a long-term relationship? He is also filling in that, well, Jose Torres, he's a smart man, businessman, but he also knows that his profession is within car service. Now he wants to choose from the quotes that come from various accountants. He also fills in some additional details. He enters where his business is located. So as you see here, pre-filled drop-down list. He need to get started within 2 months, so his old accountant is still there around for a while. He provides information about this is the company, writes his name, the email address, and a phone number. The email address will be the contact that the accountant agency use when replying, and maybe the accountant or law firms want to have a chat with Jose Torres before they provide the proposal, or even setting up a meeting where they can discuss. And as you see here, you can also watch that the site is live, and other small and mid-sized companies that have been using this form to find their provider. So this is as easy as it is. Now in the next movie we'll show you what happens after Jose has posted this request.